Are you ready to quiz your skills from our 99 Signs Part 1 video? If you haven't watched the video, go check it out before you take this quiz. If you already have, then let's learn how to sign signs you already know. Before we begin, here's a tip. If you are unclear about what the person is signing, be sure you use your facial expression to show that you're not understanding. Think of when you're in a conversation and you're responding back with, okay, or, huh? This is the same in ASL. Nodding or shaking your head shows that you're understanding or not understanding what the person is signing to you. So make sure you use that facial expression in a conversation. Now, are you ready for your quiz? Get out some paper and a pencil, and I am going to sign 5 phrases to you. So let's get started. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, good afternoon. How are you? Number 2, I'm happy. Number 3, what is your name? Number 4, my name is Carrie. Number 5, take care. Bye. Did you get it all? Let us know down in the comments. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.